Die slow, motherfucker. Lash a blade in your head, motherfucker. This the link and you surely get murder. Me a the wickedest thing them heard. Killers outside, we not talk.
Reaction.
Skinny kick ya, boom! What's the word to Mr. Boy Terrible aka the reaction? Boss! And I'm back in if I put another video for you guys. Until we're back in Grenada for the longest while. People, hold on, I have to apologize to my viewers, them and subscribe. I'm sorry. But the reaction boss is back in full effect. We have a song called, it's not a song, it's a medley. You understand? I just posted on my Instagram. Y'all go follow my Instagram, my Terrible Vlogs, you feel me? For the latest scoop, you know what I'm doing whenever I'm going to do something related to my videos, you feel me? Anyways, a medley from Grenada called Die Slow Riddim Medley video. Let's get straight to it. Let's talk. Subscribe if you're new. We're on the road to 100k on both the channels, Terrible Vlogs and Reaction Boss ENT. Let's get straight to this video right now. Run tune. All the weapons are fake, people. They are all props. None of the weapons are really in this video, okay? It's fake video. It's fake weapons. Alright then.
Hey yo, Christo.
You don't know, say, I'm the lyrical song. Watch your man, I want to, they don't know the thing, go. Bad man do limbo. Never.
Bad man do limbo. Bad man do bomba kubet limbo. Never. Hanzo and Freddy.
You see it?
Ah, this is bad.
Martin, Christo.
My one a laughing, my boss said very often, boy, when I fly now we're laughing, you feel like was a joke thing, hey, my one a laughing, cause my boss said very often, my fly now we're laughing, you feel like was a joke thing, hands on me I go murder somebody, body a chop on the floor like me just cover gold, and I know my team happy, everybody smiling and everybody having a good time, can't ever do them nobody.
Hanzo, we don't get it. Alright then, me hear them said alright now we don't.
Laughing, cause my boss said very often, man a fly now we laughing, I feel like it's a joke. Hands on me I go murder somebody, body a chop on the floor like me just cover gold, and I know my team happy, everybody smiling and everybody having a good time, can't ever do them nobody, say nobody never heard of them a murder them, say nobody never heard of murder them a shoulda.
So nobody never heard of them and murder them. So nobody never heard of murder the bomb blood clog.
Never violating no. Cause my one a laughing, my boss said very often, boy, my
first time I pray this, first time I saw this, I'm catch it already. I saw me like this time easy to catch. You come and talk about and fuck up on people's song, but you sang them, we can't understand about more class. Right here, some rate this already, and it just start. Go on!
Fly now we laughing, you feel like was a joke thing. Hey, my one a laughing, cause my boss said very often, my fly now we laughing, you feel like was a joke thing. Me a boy, me never afraid of nobody, let me tell me straight dog. No, killing is my army, me a wait for the pussy hole. Inna the lobby, me a couple shot inna him body, me no hesitator. Yeah, the case my from, let me tell you straight, me have to shop up with the bomb. Any pussy run up on me, yeah, you know them get the slam, rifle slam. All of them I forget.
I want the last. So this is the next song on the medley. First one so far, it'll go on another bag of chips. Just don't pay much right now if you give me our thoughts on the first song so far. Let's get straight to another one. Go on. What are you doing? What are your name?
Martin.
What the person your name?
Yo, Christo.
Marius.
I know nothing for we. On the place in a zone where police no collect.
Hold. Sorry,
I know nothing for we. Turn the place in a zone where police no collect information of bodies and spend shell alone. Boy, get
buckler. Hey, your dog say. You might turn this one somewhere where police don't collect information. Alone spend shell. Go on.
And scare we with heavy voice tone. We a point and squeeze trigger send them. Boom, yeah. From them I gang up and group up so big they get shoot up. Me load the pan belly like school bus.
Yeah.
I know nothing for me right start room up. Yo them I no threaten or them easy for dead. I be a rifle con man leaving a head.
Yeah.
Yo them I no threaten or them easy for dead. I be a rifle con man leaving a head.
Alright. We don't know what got me after tonight. You can never rank somebody you choose to rob and get on you. Rank somebody you pick on. You pick on rank somebody. You understand me? Now watch this. We know what you video to the people. We know chap already now. But watch this.
Left everybody panic, me never scared for knock it. Squad, you know able to stop it. G is the code and you fi know what that if you know wait it. Badness me know fi chat it. Big man know me live it. Carry guns without no permit. Me no got no rules fi bust it. Boy that easy does it. Hospital them try fi rush it. Tuck in them a tick in a waist and me no knapsack it. Beat it pon them left body.
Tuck them a tick in a waist and we no knapsack it. Oh, one buckler. Yo, Madras, go on you.
The black traffic, yeah. From them I gang up and group up so big they get shoot up. Me load the pan belly like school bus. I know nothing for where I start broom up. Yo,
so my boy the pan ends my boy the pan the ends in the people. Check what people in rap for a day, you know. You see me I say, watch all go on.
Them I no threaten know them easy for dead. I be a rifle con man leaving a head. Yo, them I no threaten know them easy for dead. I be a rifle con man leaving a head.
G-Ras.
Christo.
Guys slow.
It's the G.
Blood clot.
No.
No.
Pray.
Alright then.
Fucking fools them. Feel them ramp with we.
What are them?
Yo Dark Moon. Yo Casper. Yo Christo. Die slow motherfucker. Lash a blade in your head motherfucker. This is
wait for hear somebody say blade, but I'm gonna lie to you. I was actually waiting to hear somebody say blade. But dog say, die slow motherfucker. Like a blade in the ear, motherfucker. Hold lash a blade in your head.
Die slow motherfucker. Lash a blade in your head motherfucker. This is link and you surely get murder. Me a the wickedest thing them murder. Die slow motherfucker. Lash a blade in your head motherfucker. This is link and you surely get murder. Me a the wickedest thing them murder. Killers outside we not talk. Martindale in a way so me must walk. To me smile them think man damn soft. Chop chop, badness not stop. Gang gang and the next hand fall off. The wickedest thing.
Cheers!
Fucking fools them. Feel them ramp with me.
Don't know why the blade of the
Yo
one
Dark
got
Moon.
now.
Yo Casper. Yo Christo.
Listen you.
Die slow motherfucker. Lash a blade in your head motherfucker. This is link and you surely get murder. Me a the wickedest thing them murder. Die slow motherfucker. Lash a blade in your head motherfucker. This is link and you surely get murder. Me a the wickedest.
The fuck, say the first man, let's watch a video, let's see any of them track here, and see me try to catch on to them. Show us a good bumbuckle music. But I'm telling you not necessarily people say, if you not check out Grenada dancehall music, you want to go check it out, people, because it's at a different level right now. Every year it'll go up more, it'll elevate more, you understand me? And me always there to help promote the thing. You see me I say, if you want to go check out what them artists are right now, a long time they might not do music in Nigeria, so a long time they bring the music in the dog. Those the corporation film well already, you know, you see me I say? You see me? Check out the channel, check out the Tight Black channel, the main channel. You understand me? The videos them still up, even though I'm not doing reactions on the main channel, the videos are still on there. You understand me? And me doing other content is still bringing other viewers to those older reaction videos, and them still I get the attention where it need to get. So support the thing. You see me? Sorry we get off track from the reaction, but we just have to inform on the movement that go support the man them. You see me? I say run your side Jones still.
Sting them murder. Killers outside we not talk. Martindale in a way so me must walk. To me smile them think man damn soft. Chop chop, badness not stop. Gang gang and the next hand fall off. No more see me no show them. Hands one fussy don't want them. Just like bees we are swarming. Die slow motherfucker. Lash a blade in your head motherfucker. This is link and you only get murder. Me a the wickedest thing them murder. Die slow motherfucker. Lash a blade in your head motherfucker. This is link and you surely get murder. Me a the wickedest thing them murder.
Yeah man. What? Brawling piece of blood clay track, man. Is it message? Want to leave some like on the video right now? Just one for emojis. Go support the artists them. It's been a boy Type Black, aka the Reaction Boss. Signing out.